Motherhood is beautiful, magical, transforming. But sometimes, it comes with silent struggles no one talks about. This is the story of Emma Williams, a 31-year-old new mother from Seattle, who believed her body was broken after giving birth, until one moment changed everything. Emma was like many new mothers, caring, devoted, and exhausted. She loved her newborn daughter, Lily, but there was something she didn't expect, a pain she couldn't explain, and a problem she was too embarrassed to talk about. Just 6 weeks after birth, Emma began experiencing sharp pelvic discomfort whenever she stood up. Then came the leakage, small, unexpected episodes whenever she sneezed or laughed. It confused her, it frightened her, and she convinced herself something was terribly wrong. She didn't tell her husband. She didn't tell her doctor. She didn't tell her friends. She thought she just needed to push through it like everyone else. But every day, the pain grew, and the worry grew with it. At night, Emma searched the internet in secret. She typed things like, "Why does my pelvis hurt after birth? Why am I leaking urine after delivery?" Every answer left her even more confused. Some articles scared her, others said it was normal, so she told herself to ignore it. Her discomfort became part of her routine. Standing up hurt, walking too long hurt, carrying her baby felt heavier than it should, and the leakage made her avoid exercise, dancing, and even long walks. That night, she finally told Daniel everything. The pain, the discomfort, the leakage, and like a true partner, he didn't judge her. He didn't minimize her feelings. He simply said, "Let's get you help. You deserve to feel better." The next day, Emma met Dr. Sarah Collins, a physiotherapist specializing in women's health. Her voice was calm. Her presence was reassuring. Emma felt safe for the first time since giving birth. Dr. Sarah explained something Emma had never heard before. The pelvic floor, a group of muscles that support your bladder, hips, and core. During pregnancy and childbirth, these muscles can weaken. And when they weaken, you can experience pelvic discomfort, and leakage, and loss of confidence. But here's the good news. These muscles can be strengthened again. Dr. Sarah assessed Emma's posture, her breathing pattern, her hip strength, and her core activation. It was simple, just gentle movements. Nothing scary, nothing invasive. When the assessment ended, Dr. Sarah smiled and said, "Emma, your body isn't broken. You're just healing, and we're going to help you." Emma finally had a plan. A real, personalized physiotherapy-guided plan. It focused on breathing, strength, awareness, connection with her body again. In week 1, Emma learned how to gently activate her pelvic floor muscles, lifting, holding, and releasing. No strain, no pressure, just small, controlled movements that reawaken deep muscles. She learned how her breath connected to her core, how inhaling relaxed her pelvic floor, and exhaling lifted it gently. For the first time in months, she felt in control. Week 3 brought strength. Her hips grew stronger, her glutes activated, her core felt stable again. By week 4, Emma took a long walk without discomfort. She celebrated quietly, but in her heart, she felt hope. 2 months in, the leakage stopped. Her pelvic pain reduced dramatically. Her confidence grew. She wrote in her journal, "I feel like myself again. I didn't know healing was possible." At her final appointment, Dr. Sarah told her, "You didn't just strengthen your muscles, you reclaimed your life." Emma realized something powerful. Postpartum challenges don't mean failure. They don't mean weakness. They mean your body has been through something extraordinary and deserves care. And so, the lesson is simple. Your body is not broken. Healing is possible. And physiotherapy can help you get your strength and confidence back. Every mother deserves support. Every mother deserves recovery. Every mother deserves to feel whole again. If you found Emma's story inspiring, remember someone out there needs to hear it. Thank you for watching. Stay strong, stay healthy, and take care of your body, because it takes care of you.